Login failed on Binance App Fix. You open the Binance app, ready to trade or check your crypto, and suddenly it says login failed. It's annoying, but here's the surprising truth: in most cases, it's not a major issue. It's usually something small you can fix in minutes. Start by checking your internet connection. Binance uses strong security measures, so it needs a stable and secure connection to verify your login. If you're on public Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data or a trusted private network. Next, check if your app is up to date. Go to the App Store or Google Play, search Binance, and tap Update if available. Outdated versions often lose sync with Binance's latest security features and can cause login errors. Now, manually type your login credentials. Avoid using autofill or save passwords because it can store old or incorrect information. If you recently changed your password, double-check you're using the latest one. If you're using fingerprint or Face ID login, disable it temporarily and log in manually. Once you're in, re-enable biometric lock-in to refresh your stored authentication data. Still not working? Try clearing your cache. On Android, open Settings, Apps, Binance Storage, Clear Cache. On iPhone, uninstall and reinstall the app. This removes temporary data that might be blocking your login attempts. Also, make sure your device's time and date settings are on automatic. Binance servers verify time accuracy as part of their security system. If your phone's time doesn't match the servers, your login can fail. Lastly, check if Binance is experiencing maintenance or downtime. High trading activity or system updates can temporarily block logins. So, if your Binance login fails, don't panic. Check your connection, update the app, clear the cache, and verify your settings. In most cases, that's all it takes to get you back into your account ready to trade and track your crypto once again.